If you're thinking about using Klap AI, stop for a minute. Not because it's bad, actually the opposite. Because I think most people sign up for Klap AI expecting one thing, and end up discovering it's something completely different. That's exactly what happened to me. When I first heard about Klap AI, I thought it was just another AI clip generator. Upload a long video, get a few shorts, move on. Simple. And honestly, there are dozens of tools claiming to do that already. So I wasn't expecting much, but after spending a few days testing it, I realized why so many creators keep talking about it. The first thing I did was upload a YouTube video, a normal long form video. Then I waited to see what Klap would do. Within minutes, it identified multiple short form moments that could potentially work as TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. And honestly, some of the selections were surprisingly good. Not perfect, but definitely better than randomly clipping videos yourself. The second thing that caught my attention was speed. Because let's be real, most creators don't quit because creating content is hard. They quit because creating content takes too much time. Editing, clipping, captioning, formatting, publishing. The process never ends. Klap AI removes a chunk of that work, and that's where the real value starts showing up. Then I tried something different. I uploaded several videos with completely different topics. Some educational, some business related, some casual content. The results weren't identical, and that's actually important because Klap isn't magically creating viral content. It's finding moments that already exist inside your content. A lot of people miss that point. The tool can't create a great hook if the original video doesn't have one. And I think that's where many users get disappointed. They expect Klap AI to manufacture views. It doesn't. It amplifies what you've already created. That's a huge difference. The next thing I noticed was who benefits most. If you're posting one video a month, the value might not feel dramatic. But if you're a YouTuber, agency owner, business owner, freelancer, coach, or creator producing content regularly, the time savings add up quickly. Hours every week, maybe more. And that's where the subscription starts making sense. After testing Klap AI, here's my honest conclusion. The biggest mistake is thinking it's a growth hack. It's not. It's a workflow tool, a speed tool, a leverage tool. Can it help you publish more content? Absolutely. Can it save time? Without question. Will it automatically make your videos go viral? No. And anyone promising that is selling a fantasy. But if your goal is turning one piece of content into many pieces of content faster, Klap AI does a pretty solid job. And honestly, that's why I think it's worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one.